Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming SUVs of 2026, the Jaecoo J8. If you've been following the rise of Jaecoo under the Chery umbrella, you already know this brand isn't playing around. The J8 is their boldest move yet, a mid-size SUV that blends luxury, technology, and off-road capability into one stunning package. At first glance, the 2026 Jaecoo J8 commands attention with its upright stance, muscular body lines, and a large vertical grille that feels both premium and rugged. LED lighting signatures wrap around the front and rear, giving it a futuristic edge without trying too hard. Riding on massive alloy wheels and featuring contrasting black roof rails and accents, the J8 has a refined but adventurous vibe that makes it stand out whether in the city or out in the wild. Under the hood, Jaecoo isn't holding back. The J8 comes equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing out around 254 horsepower and 390 Newton-meters of torque, mated to an advanced 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. That powertrain delivers strong acceleration, smooth gear changes, and decent fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. What's more impressive is the standard all-wheel drive system, enhanced by an intelligent terrain management mode that adapts to sand, snow, mud, and more, making this SUV genuinely capable off-road. But the real magic happens inside the cabin. Open the doors and you're greeted by a modern, high-tech environment wrapped in premium materials. A massive panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, while ambient lighting and soft-touch surfaces make you feel like you've stepped into a luxury vehicle. The centerpiece is a twin-screen setup, one for the digital driver display and another massive touchscreen for infotainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are built in, and you even get voice control for navigation, climate, and more. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. There's plenty of legroom and headroom thanks to a long wheelbase, and even the rear seats recline. With multiple USB-C ports, rear climate vents, and a surprisingly quiet cabin, long drives are going to be a breeze. Cargo space is generous, and the rear seats fold flat to offer more versatility when you need it. In terms of safety, the Jaecoo J8 packs everything from adaptive cruise control to automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The inclusion of advanced driver assistance systems brings the J8 closer to premium SUVs from Europe and Japan, but likely at a more competitive price. What sets the J8 apart is how it blends style, technology, and real-world usability in one complete package. Jaecoo has clearly learned from global market leaders and stepped up its game in a big way. Whether you're looking for a comfortable family SUV, an adventure-ready machine, or just a feature-packed daily driver, the 2026 Jaecoo J8 deserves a serious look. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe for more upcoming car content. Drop a comment below. Would you consider the Jaecoo J8 over a Toyota Fortuner or a Kia Sorento? Let's talk.